Hey everybody, Dawn here from DragonArt.com with another drawing video. And today in this step-by-step lesson, we'll be learning how to draw a flying bird. Be sure to get yourself a pen, paper, and eraser. That's a standard quality to prepare for this drawing video. And don't forget to get the link in the video description for the full step-by-step drawing tutorial at DragonArt.com. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and stay tuned for the latest. Good luck. Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to draw a flying bird. In this lesson, I'll break down simple steps on drawing this flying bird. Make sure you have a few references of different types of flying birds so you can define how each bird in flight looks different or similar. Get a standard quality pencil and eraser for this tutorial to make things a lot easier. Here I have my guidelines that will guide my proportioning and symmetry of important details of the bird in flight. I have two large shapes on the side of a circle, placeholder for the tail feathers that we'll be drawing. I'm going to fade out my guidelines so I can draw the future lines more prominent, like so, and that's good enough fade opacity. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a new step. And this is step 2, and this is going to be on the head of the bird before we move on to any of the major details that define the bird in flight. I'm just going a round shape for the head, and note I'm drawing some kind of lovebird, parrot type bird in flight, like that. Very simple shape. I'm going to move on to the eye, which is round. And I'm going to erase an eye white, because all birds have them. If you don't have it, it's going to make it look like a doll. Scary looking bird with no eye white. That's like having a human being with no iris. Alright. That's my second step. Make step 3. And this is going to be on the beak. And the beak curved. And then it moves inwards into two spikes which form the sharp part of the beak. Since parrots have curved beaks, unlike finches and other wild birds. I'm going to add the nose, a little definition for the nose. Not so detailed. That's step 3. I'll make step 4. And this is going to be on just the wing. And a little tip on the drawing bird wings. This goes for large birds and small birds. Small birds have shorter and lengthy wings that tend to round off into a one angle, unlike large birds. And larger birds have 6 primary feathers that fade off into these smaller feathers. And it's almost like a box-like, depending what type of bird you're drawing. So the wings are boxy-like for larger birds, like eagles, swans, cool birds like that. And for medium-sized birds, they have a mix of small bird wings and large bird wings. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this. I'm going to finish this wing as well. Then I'll move on to the shape for this bird's body, so when we draw the wings, it won't really distract. And I'm just drawing the bird's body and the tail first. Like that. Step 5, and this is going to be on finishing off the wings. Now I'm going to make very fast strokes that curl inwards for lengthy and nice looking small bird wings. This bird's wings are fully spread, so it's not like it's side is half open. The fully open wings. Making small strokes for this wing. And as you can see, each feather is getting shorter and less thin at the tips. So they're getting fatter. Because it's going to the base of the bird's body. Turning into the base. And this can be time consuming trying to make the wings look flushed. But you get time. Now this is where the wings get really fat. Go ahead and fix this part. Like that. And they're just getting more spread as soon as they reach more further into the base of the body. Like this. It gets short enough where it just turns into very tiny looking fish. Like that. Very similar to bird's wings. I'm go ahead and I'm going to finish off the left side, which, quite honestly, is going to be a little more difficult because of the angle it's at. So, let's get through this. I'm just drawing the tips now. Starting from the bottom, moving to the base. Moving on, same pattern as I did previously for the brain, which gets narrower at the upper end and then it gets fatter at the lower end where the feathers are. And it gets seemingly shorter. Right, step 6, and this is going to be finishing details in the wing, like smaller feathers, ruffled and puffed. Nice feathers. Do the same thing for the right wing. Middle piece, and fish piece for that. Alright, step 7, and this is going to be on the feet. Cute little bird feet. Very small, they're curled inwards when they fly, and not out unless they're trying to catch prey, which normally eagles and vultures and large birds that feast on small morsels do. In this case, we're just drawing a small bird. So small birds, they rely on either plant food, seeds, or maybe small little rodents or something similar to that. And fish my bird. I'm going to hide my guidelines. And I have myself a nice looking bird. Just erase the intersection line that clashes with the beak, and we're all set. Clean up your lines. Erase guidelines, color your drawing, or just show it off to your friends, and you should have a very nice looking bird as well. Flying bird. Hope you guys enjoy this lesson. Be sure to check out DragoArt official YouTube channel for latest drawing videos, and DragoArt.com for the latest drawing tutorials. It's updated daily, and it's there for your use. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the upcoming. Have fun!